Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a platform to help your kids improve their math skills, then Thinkster might be the answer. It blends expert private tutoring, AI-powered resources, and personalized study plans. Plus, it's aligned with the Common Core state standards and covers key 8 and high school math curricula. Thinkster is a highly engaging and kid-friendly platform with features like offline accessibility, automatic scoring, and interactive games that make learning math effective and enjoyable. Stay tuned as we explore Thinkster's features, learning environment, pricing, and more. For further insights into Thinkster and ways to save money into this platform, check out our detailed review at pestreviews.net. Now let's jump into the specifics with Raissa.
Thinkster is the go-to platform for busy parents looking for expert tutors to help their kids improve their math skills. Its curriculum is based on Singapore math, and the platform combines top-class teachers, AI-powered tools, and personalized study plans to provide a thorough and tailored learning journey. From the moment you log in, you can tell Thinkster is a highly engaging platform. Its interface caters to kids and teens with vibrant colors, cool fonts, and neat icons. Choosing an avatar is also fun, and all these kid-friendly aspects play an important role in captivating children's attention. However, as much as the platform is intuitive to use, several pages took quite a while to load during our testing, which was a bit disappointing and may frustrate some learners. A more significant downside was the lack of a mobile version, which would make the software more appealing to kids who are used to using mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. The workaround is to access it from Google Chrome when using a mobile device, as the platform is optimized for this browser. Also, there isn't a desktop app, but on computers, people can access the platform from any browser. Thinkster has over 100,000 digital worksheets which are highly interactive and attention-grabbing. The built-in tools let kids easily write, erase, and rewrite on the worksheets, which is especially convenient for solving math problems. The worksheets are also available offline, so children can learn even without internet access. If students face a wall while answering the worksheets, there are video tutorials explaining the concepts being worked on. This is excellent for encouraging self-resourceful learning. The icing on the cake is that worksheets are automatically scored, so learners get immediate feedback. Thinkster also provides interactive games for children to learn while having fun. In fact, the company has come up with many ways to keep students motivated. Kids earn points for completing worksheets, and the leaderboard keeps track of everyone's scores. They can also earn avatars and stickers as rewards. To top it all off, points can be exchanged for gift cards from several companies, such as Amazon and Target. Before starting their learning journey, students have to take a skills assessment. Then, the platform creates a tailor-made learning plan addressing skill gaps, and a tutor is assigned. The tutor is responsible for picking the right worksheets, grading them daily, and scheduling weekly one-on-one tutoring sessions. All tutors are background checked and certified math coaches. One aspect that caught our attention is that Thinkster allows tutors to see exactly how the students arrived at the answers on the worksheets. The platform records the students' input exactly as they've entered it, so the coach can understand the reasoning behind that answer. The extra sparkle is the reading program that builds comprehension and critical thinking with numerous activities. Additionally, parents can see analytics about the child's learning process from their profile. Easy-to-read reports clearly display the number of completed worksheets, time spent, scores, and tutors' feedback. There's also a messaging system so parents can communicate with coaches. Keep in mind that Thinkster collects personal information, including identifiers like names, street addresses, email addresses, and non-personal information, such as usage data and aggregate information. This information may be used for various purposes, including responding to inquiries, improving services, and marketing. Users can opt out of marketing communications and access or change their data. Unfortunately, the platform isn't COPPA certified, but Thinkster addresses the protection of children's privacy, international data transfer, and compliance with California regulations. Plus, knowing that tutors are background checked gives extra peace of mind. As you would expect from a platform that offers private tutoring, Thinkster isn't cheap. However, it's worth the price when considering the number of resources available and the level of assistance the private coaches provide. League and Premier League include all the learning resources, plus a monthly call with a math mentor to keep children on track. The plan that includes one-to-one tutoring sessions is All Stars coaching. Still, you can do a lot with a free version that includes skills assessments, worksheets, and games. There's also a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can thoroughly test the platform and get a full refund if it doesn't meet your expectations. Thinkster offers many support channels such as phone, ticket system, live chat, and a dedicated center with explanations about its resources and features. But we were a little disappointed when trying to reach out via the ticket system. We submitted a ticket with our inquiry, and instead of an email with the answer, we received a phone call and a text message. The actual answer only arrived 5 days later, and it wasn't as illuminated as we expected. Still, there is a blog featuring interesting articles not only about the platform's resources, but also about education in general. The company is active on social media platforms such as Facebook, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest.
Thank you, Raissa. From Raissa's explanation, we can tell that Thinkster offers a highly engaging interface and resources that captivate students of all ages, making learning math an enjoyable experience. Plus, scores, avatars, and rewards incentivize students to keep improving. Still, what makes Thinkster truly shine are its personalized learning plans and private tutoring sessions with certified coaches. The Extra Sparkle is a unique feature that allows teachers to understand the reasoning behind the students' worksheet answers. On the downside, Thinkster's customer service could be improved, especially in streamlining answers to inquiries and response times. Additionally, while the platform's interface is engaging and intuitive, slow loading times may frustrate some students. Although Thinkster may seem expensive at first glance, prices are fair considering everything you get. The best part is that the free version offers access to essential resources, and the paid plans are secured by a 7-day money-back guarantee. All things considered, it's safe to say that Thinkster is best for busy parents looking for help with their children's math studies. As always, remember to check out our website at bestreviews.net to learn more about Thinkster and any discounts available. Thanks for watching and see you next time!
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!